The 2025 Aprilia RS660 factory has arrived, and it's making a strong statement in the middleweight sportbike category. Aprilia has taken an already impressive machine and elevated it with premium upgrades, focusing on enhanced performance and a more refined aesthetic. One of the most visually striking updates is the new dark Banshee colorway. This livery, with its sleek black finish and bold red accents, perfectly complements the bike's aggressive lines and aerodynamic winglets. It gives the RS660 factory a distinct and menacing presence, setting it apart from its standard counterpart. This new color scheme really reinforces the sporty nature of the machine. Performance-wise, the inclusion of Öhlins suspension is a significant upgrade. The fully adjustable Öhlins NIX30 fork and STX46 shock provide exceptional handling and feedback, allowing riders to fine-tune the bike's setup for optimal performance on both the road and the track. Another notable enhancement is the updated 5-inch full-color TFT instrument cluster. This advanced display provides riders with clear and concise information, including speed, RPM, gear position, and various rider aid settings. Beyond these new features, the 2025 RS660 factory retains its winning combination of a potent 659cc parallel twin engine, now producing acclaimed 105 horsepower, and a comprehensive suite of electronic rider aids. This includes adjustable traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes, providing riders with a high level of control and confidence. The Aprilia RS660 factory also benefits from its lightweight design and agile handling, making it a joy to ride in various conditions. Additionally, as for the 2025 Aprilia RS660 Standard, riders can also choose between the electrifying Venom Yellow, a high-visibility hue that demands attention, or the deep, captivating Blue Marlin, which exudes a sophisticated yet athletic aura. In summary, the 2025 Aprilia RS660 factory represents a significant step forward in the middleweight sportbike segment. With its striking new colorway, premium Öhlins suspension, and enhanced instrument cluster, it offers a refined and exhilarating riding experience. Combined with its powerful engine and advanced electronics, the RS660 factory is a formidable machine that caters to riders who demand the best.